In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the built-in strategy tester with pre-built strategies on TradingView. If you're looking to enhance your trading game by utilizing robust pre-designed strategies, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your chart on TradingView. This is where the magic happens. Begin by setting up a chart of the security or asset you are interested in analyzing. With your chart open, look to the top of your screen for the Indicators button, marked by the FX icon. Give that a click. Once you have the Indicators menu open, switch over to the Strategies tab. This tab is conveniently located right next to the Indicators section. The Strategies tab is your gateway to a multitude of pre-built strategies, each designed for different market conditions and preferences. Here you'll find popular strategies like the Moving Average Cross and RSI strategy, and many others. Browse through the available options and pick a strategy that suits your interest. Once you click on a strategy, it is immediately added to your chart. TradingView will automatically start backtesting the strategy using historical data, meaning you don't have to manually sift through past market movements. This speedy process allows you to see how the strategy would have played out in the past, saving you a great deal of time and effort. With your strategy applied, the next step is to direct your attention to the bottom of the chart where you'll find the Strategy Tester tab. Click to open this panel, and here's where it gets really insightful. The Strategy Tester will display key performance metrics such as net profit, win rate, and drawdown. Additionally, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the trades that have been executed by the strategy. This information is invaluable, giving you a complete oversight into the potential effectiveness of the strategy. Now let's talk customization. If you'd like to tweak the strategy to better suit your trading style, you can do this seamlessly. Look for the gear icon next to the strategy name on your chart and click it. This opens up a settings window where you can customize various parameters like moving average lengths or any other adjustable inputs the strategy may offer. This ability to adjust inputs lets you optimize the strategy without needing any coding skills. Try different settings to see how performance changes. A great way to get the most out of strategy testing. As you wrap up, make sure to analyze the results thoroughly. The strategy tester report is pivotal in understanding how well the strategy performed historically. Delve into the performance summary for a snapshot of key statistics and the list of trades for detailed trade information. This careful examination will help you decide if this strategy is worth employing in your future trading endeavors. And that's it! You've now learned how to leverage TradingView's built-in strategy tester with pre-built strategies. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to making more informed and potentially more profitable trading decisions. Remember, practice and analysis are key. Good luck and happy trading.